Pick it up.
All-Star Night. The Sprint All-Star Race live
Eat the
on
basket.
TV.
Basket.
Starting lineup. Two-time showdown winner Martin Truex Jr. shares the front row with Jamie McMurray, trying to make his 7th All-Star race. Apollo Montoya in his 5th showdown, and Ricky Stenhouse, his rookie All-Star appearance. Casey Mears is in his 8th showdown, and Jeff Burton, who won it in 2003. Danica Patrick's first All-Star weekend, and Paul Menard looking to make his 2nd All-Star race. A.J. Allen looking to race into the All-Star race for his first time at Lancaster 3rd showdown appearance.
Hey, what do you say we talk to rookie Ricky Stenhouse Jr. and see what he's up to tonight? Hey, Ricky Stenhouse Jr., CW, you got a copy there, buddy?
I got you, DW.
Hey, man, this ought to be right in your wheelhouse.
No.
It's a Saturday night
That
heat
would
race.
hurt.
You got a little short heat race here to transfer to the feature. Can you do it?
Man, yeah, I think we can. We've got a great best mount forward using. The guys worked really hard in practice, and we would like to start on the pole here, but well, I got 3 to go to pass them and get that win. So we definitely think we got a shot at it, and we're here to do it.
All right, my friend, they're coming to one to go here, so I gotta run. But good luck tonight, and try to make the feature.
10-4, it's all about the feature.
That's for sure. Let's go to pit row. Steve Burns.
Well, Mike, Jamie McMurray starts from row 1. He watched videotape of last year's race. He told me moments ago he noticed the front row broke away and had an advantage. He hopes the same thing holds true tonight, Matt Yoakum.
Steve, Eric Alvarola trying to join Ryan Newman and Michael Walker, drivers that won the All-Star race before the first pole trip. The first got an advance. He starts 12th. He told me look to the 43 to go to the high side, 2, 3 wide early on, because that's how good his car was in practice. He expects the same tonight, Christopher.
Wisconsin native Paul Menard is a quiet guy. He starts 8th, advancing his duel, though. To do so, he'll have to go against his nature and make noise early. Jeff Hammond?
Well, Chris, I tell you right now, look at this racetrack. There's no rubber on it. These tires are going to wear early. I think they're going to go slower as far as these first 20 laps are concerned. I'll look for whoever winds up transferring into this All-Star bit. They're going to have to come get tires. And we have the caution flag, guys.
Thanks, Jeff. Ready to race in Concord, North Carolina on a day that has seen a lot of showers. Air temp now down below 70. Track temp at just 80. No wind.